Hisense Laser TV L9Q, a flagship device that redefines what a deluxe home cinema experience can be. This isn't just another ultra-short throw projector, it's the pinnacle of our engineering. The L9Q has been honored with both the prestigious IF Design Award and Red Dot Award, testament to its exceptional design in innovative technology. Let's dive in and see why it's worthy of these accolades. Right out of the box, the L9Q executes premium quality. Its sleek, award-winning design is making it a statement piece that blends seamlessly with high and pleasing spaces. The build quality feels solid, with the refined finish that lives up its flagship status. Those two design awards aren't just for show. Every curve and line is engineered for both aesthetics and functionality, balancing form with the performance you'd expect from a top-tier home cinema system. Setting up a home theater can often feel overwhelming, but the L9Q simplifies the process entirely. Thanks to its auto-screen alignment technology, all you need to do is place it near a wall, turn it on, and it instantly calibrates to deliver a perfect, distortion-free image. No manual adjustments required. Pair that with its 0.18 USD ratio, even more impressive than many USD projectors. And you can get a breathtaking 200-inch display while placing the device just inches from your wall. Small living rooms, bedrooms, even home offices. This thing transforms any space into a grand cinema in seconds. Now let's talk about the style of the show, the picture quality. The L9Q's performance starts with our revolutionary LPU triple laser light engine, the secret behind its exceptional visuals. First, 4K native resolution ensures every detail is crisp and sharp, whether you're watching a 14 movie, streaming a show, or gaming. Then there is the brightness. 5000 IMAX Lumens. That's powerful enough to deliver crystal clear viewing even in well-lit rooms. No need to darken curtains during the day. Add in a 5000:1 contrast ratio and you get incredibly deep blacks and vibrant whites. My scenes in movies look reaching immersive with no washed out grace. Every shadow and highlight pokes with cinematic depth.
Tomorrow we face gods and men to build a kingdom.
But what truly sets the L9Q apart is its color accuracy. It's earned both Pantone validated and Pantone skin tone validated certifications, meaning every hue from the vivid blues of a tropical ocean to the softer nuances of human skin tones is rendered with perfect realism right out of the box. With Dolby Vision support, HDR content comes to life with spectacular dynamic range, brighter highlights, darker shadows, and richer details with standard HDR can't match. IMAX Enhanced optimization ensures IMAX content is displayed exactly as it was meant to be, with calibrated colors and contrast that mirror the theater experience. And if you're a 3D fan, the L9Q's immersive 3D capability adds another layer of depth, making you feel like you're stepping into the action. Designed for safety and comfort, the L9Q emits low blue light certified by TÜV Rheinland. It reduces eye strain without losing picture quality. This makes it an excellent choice for families with children. Alright, now the deluxe home cinema isn't complete without exceptional sound, and the L9Q delivers with a collaboration that speaks for itself. Devialet's luxurious audio engineering, paired with Opera de Paris, great sound calibration. The integrated 6.2.2 channel speaker system, powered by Dolby Atmos, doesn't just play sound, but it creates a breathtaking three-dimensional soundscape. Whispers feel intimate, explosions rumble with depth, and dialogue stays clear even during intense action sequences. The audio wraps around you, putting you deeper into the experience. Accessing content is seamless with built-in Video OS and popular apps like Netflix pre-installed, while comprehensive connectivity ports ensure all your devices integrate perfectly. In summary, the Hisense L9Q isn't just a laser TV, it's your all-in-one gateway to unparalleled cinematic and audio excellence. From its award-winning design and effortless setup to its triple laser picture quality, Devialet sound, a 200-inch display, is designed to transform any space into an entertainment paradise from the moment you have done it on.